How can learners sign up to my courses? For learners to access your courses and study in them, they must first have an account on your Moodle site. See our videos on authentication for more information on how to set this up. This video explains how learners can enrol themselves into your courses. For details on how they can be automatically enrolled into courses, watch our other videos on course enrolment. Go into the course where you want learners to self-enrol. Click the Participants link on the left in what Moodle calls the Navigation or Nav drawer. Click the gear icon top right across from the word Participants, then click Enrolment Methods. Open the eye of Self-Enrolment. If you don't see Self-Enrolment, find Manage Enroll Plugins from Site Administration and check it has its eye opened there. Learners will now be able to click onto this course and enrol themselves. However, there are more options if you click the gear icon next to this enrolment method. An enrolment key means they will have to add a special word or phrase before they can access the course. You'll need to tell them this in advance. You can also use group enrolment keys, so learners can enrol themselves into specific groups with the appropriate key. You'll still need a course enrolment key, but it doesn't matter what you use. See the documentation on group enrolment keys for how to do this. Amongst the other settings, it's worth noting that you can set a maximum number of users who can self-enroll. This can keep your class numbers down if you have a limit. You can also add a special welcome message for learners who enrol themselves into your course. When a learner accesses your course for the first time, this is what they'll see. And note, this course also has an enrolment key, so it's restricted to those who know the key. To summarise, for learners to access your courses, they need to have an account on the site. Enabling self-enrolment in the course will allow them to enrol themselves into your course. You can also set enrolment keys, a personalised welcome message, and other options.